The only constant in life is change. As part of the Cultural Roots project, the UNFPA Vietnam office was among countries' office selected by the UNFPA headquarters to develop creative approaches to address challenges related to organizational culture at the country level. On 20 and 21 April 2022, Vietnam country office staff participated in an interactive workshop to gain a deeper understanding of the culture and identify paths for building, preserving, and upgrading the culture and ways of working together. Everyone was motivated and engaged so that the new strategic plan can be implemented effectively in Vietnam to aspire to achieve zero maternal death, zero unmet need for family planning, and zero GBV and other harmful practices. What we have learned from the workshop.
Understanding about our UNFPA current and aspirational culture better.
Realizing how we can institute the best culture in UNFPA Vietnam.
For the new strategic plan.
Enhance country program.
Our role for making UNFPA country office more integrated, innovative, and agile, and
respect for diversity and
inclusion.
The ways forward.
We have to acknowledge values and
build on positive elements to our current culture.
Accountability must be there. With a positive view and outlook.
A sense of working as a team and office socialization events can make everyone feel at ease.
We want everyone, including young staff and new staff,
to speak at meetings and challenge groupthink.
We have hard-working culture in Asia Pacific and in Vietnam.
But this must be matched by work and life balance.
At times, people whisper in meetings and can be busy with cell phones while colleagues are speaking and making a presentation.
We need to encourage only one meeting culture
so that everyone is fully present and engaged and respect to speakers.
The family culture of our office is wonderful to promote team working.
But it should be reflected to avoid the competition
and to promote honest, frank, and constructive opinions.
This workshop helped us to take a critical look at our culture, our office culture. But then in that process, we were conscious that we should not lose what we have as positive side of the culture. So we need to build on them. That was the first thing. And identify what can be done to make it better. So this was quite a fun exercise. Everybody was very much engaged. But then we were not doing that for the sake of doing it. We are doing that because we want to achieve zero maternal mortality and zero unmet need for family planning and zero gender-based violence and other harmful practices for the implementation of the new strategic plan and for the new country program for Vietnam.